as we've grown with you, I mean, I've told Mace several times, I mean, I personally like working with you.
So these are the ones we lent on?
Yep, these are the ones you lean on right here.
Nice. So this is the 30 townhomes are going to be all around this?
All the way on the other side. And the house we're building across the waterway, envision that pool three times that is what's going over there. That's a custom home we're building for a client.
Duplex coming soon.
But that's one of yours right there. And it's surrounded by all these other duplexes on the left-hand side.
As far as product-wise, I mean, really, I think by the end of the year we'll be sold out.
What's up?
Myrtle Beach is like either the fastest growing metropolitan area in the country or second.
I think it's #1.
I tell Johnny all the time, man, just bring the money. So the plan of action, we're gonna go pick him up first at his office. Explain to him the deals we're looking at. Some of the deals we have under construction, some we have in escrow, some we're thinking we want to do.
How long have you guys known each other?
I've known him through the area because we're both from here, born and raised here. He used to own a big building supply company and he sold it out. I've been in and out of real estate for 30 years.
What's happening?
Hey man, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Yes sir, buddy.
And he's going to put a plan together to tell us how we
can do it.
how we
Yeah,
can
and if
do
you
it.
guys don't mind, we'd love to get your feedback on everything so far.
Yeah.
You know, as a testimonial for us, it helps us a lot.
Yeah, I mean, whatever we can do to help. So far, been so good. So hopefully we can just make this thing turn a little more, and because we got a lot of projects in front of us. This house was built in 1950. Okay.
Wow.
So when I got the property, we gutted it and redid it so it would fit our need. Our project manager's office down here, that's our plan room. This is where the meeting of the minds come in, that whether it's griping, complaining, or good.
Johnny, this piece of We also work in a house just like this where there's like a kitchen and it's like a real home vibe.
We've got Johnny for a little while. I picked him up down there where the IRS office is.
Oh, really?
He was 2 blocks away from IRS.
blocks away.
I'm like, is this a Southern Johnny? Every house that we've got under construction, completed, very.
Hey, why haven't I seen these ones? You guys mad at me?
This is the one when you saw the books. You said, why weren't you in? So that's lot 1. It starts right there. Yep, I've got 10 lots, as you'll see.
So these are going to be starter homes, retirement homes, fixed budgets, and these are going to sell for what, Jim?
340.
And of course, as far as waterfall, there's 8 lots, and of course, you've done 4 of them.
Yep. This is waterfall. Here we go.
Yep.
So these are the ones we lent on?
Yep, these are the one you lean on right here.
Nice.
This is ours.
So get ready to start this one.
Nice.
Now these will be all brick.
This is our lot 2.
That'll be the last one we build.
Yeah, so I think we lent you guys 1.6 on these 4.
That's right.
This is a great community though, very walkable, great for kids.
Oh, it is. It's one of the nicest and more relaxed communities as far as the neighbors being friendly. This house up here, right, you're looking at with the garage looking at us on the right, that's the one I just finished about 2 months ago that I sold. As we've grown with you, I mean, I've told Mace several times, I mean, I personally like working with you. Because if a deal comes in front of us, the last thing we want to do is lose a deal because we don't have that gap fill, if that makes sense.
And they've done everything you told me you would do, and that's why we've got you here today.
And we only lent 3.1 to you guys.
Yeah.
You guys could get up to 10 to 20.
And we definitely want to get there. This area is not new to us. We know where we should be, where we shouldn't be, what we should do, what we shouldn't do. My family was in construction when I was growing up and worked with them, of course, till I decided, you know, I didn't want to be the one having to stand on a roof with a hammer. I said, I've had enough of this, and then one thing led to another. Now, sometimes I wish I was the guy up there with the hammer.
Less stress.
Yeah, less stress.
It's got one job to do.
Exactly. You don't have to worry about anything. All you got to do is focus on what you're doing, and you know, you're not getting 50 phone calls and distractions and so forth. But that's just kind of where I started in the business.
So 6 and 5.
6 and 5.
Oh, then you got that lake back there.
Yeah, and that's an 18-acre lake. All the lots back up to the lake. Now, I'm keeping the lake with me on my property, so this is my house right here.
That's pretty cool. That's
So-
a lot of grass.
Yep, a lot of grass. I'm on 40 acres.
You got dogs or?
Yeah, horses, dogs, horses, chickens,
awesome.
goats. See these 2 houses right there?
Yeah.
I built those 2 houses. That's a veteran and that's a veteran. Both of them houses are veterans. This is Barker Farms. This is the one that you got on your tablet yesterday, okay?
Okay.
So I built these two. Of course, they're sold.
Well, this one, so forth.
360.
Yeah, you're at the peak of your game when the appraisal uses your own comps.
That's right. Surveys are done. The houses are picked. You got the plan. I mean, everything's done. As Mace was pointing out, back here was negotiating with the realtor and the owner. We get the call from the realtor because on a couple of deals he's like, listen, we presented back to the guy that owns this is a individual builder from New York. He sent the message, look, we're local, homegrown, have some consideration. If Flip, the realtor, calls us, says you won't believe it, but the guy said he'd rather go with y'all because y'all are a local builder.
Plus, we had a really good relationship with the realtor.
So this is the 30 townhomes are going to be all around this?
All around.
All the way on the other side.
All the way around. This is an investment, them buying a unit that wants to come to Myrtle Beach for a week or a weekend or whatever, to have a townhouse that you're fine. I mean,
This could be a second
home.
I mean, it's affordable.
It has so many qualifications to bring so many different types of people based on what it is, based on what the cost is going to be, based on the location. Once this property's gone, I'm just saying we're very fortunate to be the guy that has the contract.
I definitely want to build a minimum of 15 at a time, though. I don't want to build 1, 2, 2s.
Yeah, we could do 15 at a
Yeah,
time.
2 phases. Start 15, 25% done. Start the other 15. Be out of here in 9 to 10 months. And this is Grand Harbor right here.
Yeah.
And what I liked about Grand Harbor is not only is it right behind my house, it's very manageable. 60 townhouses. This is the Intercoastal Waterway.
Right
You're
next to
one
the
block
marina.
off the waterway.
So you can park your boat here?
You've got
That's
boat
the
storage
storage.
here. The key is the land cost here. Unlike when we were talking about on the lake,
Yeah.
the land cost here is 4.8, 5 million, but it's completely done. Just start building. And then
Just in the lumber, and then you've got another 35 to 40 in the foundation.
Duplex coming soon.
But that's one of yours right there. And it's surrounded by all these other duplexes on the left-hand side.
We haven't started construction, but we want to talk to you about pulling the money to do construction.
This was going to be a smaller one, right? What was the numbers for this one?
It would sell for about $1.5 million,
Okay.
1.45 million. This one is slot 4. This is going to be in the 2.7, 2.8 price point. This one recorded at 2.8, 2.6, 2.8. Same thing. Those garage doors, $11,000 garage doors. And these are the big boy houses.
The big boys.
This
Yeah.
one's 3.5. This is kind of the man cave with the bar fridge, 16-foot sliders out to the pool, out to your private boat dock on the Intercoastal Waterway. Every bedroom has its own private bath. Every bath has its own custom tile shower with rain head.
All the jet skis in the back. You got a jacuzzi out here too, right?
Oh, yes, it'll be a spa, couple bars, 3 bar stools, standing ledge, copper ceiling, those are 23-foot ceilings, 10-foot island off courts, custom backsplash,
Wow.
16-foot slider.
I love the deck too.
Looking out to your pool, bar stool so you can sit and watch the boats go by. Be all travertine around here.
Definitely my style.
Definitely your style.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As a crow flies here, 1.5 miles to the beach.
Yeah.
Oceanfront right over there. That's the pool for number 7. Spectrum of what we do, 300 to 4 million. Everything underneath the house is travertine, all black aluminum fence, travertine tops on the columns. These all come with private dock.
And the house we're building across the waterway, vision that pool 3 times
3
that
times
is what's going over there.
Yellow house right there?
Yep. That's a custom home we're building for a client.
What's that going to sell for?
That's gonna be right about 4 million.
You could do a lot in here.
You could do a lot in here, that's what I'm thinking. Big spaces, laundry room, quartz countertops.
And like I say, John, all this product comes from me. All the windows, all the doors, all the building.
All the materials.
All the material, the siding, everything. We've got a great trim guy. I mean, when I say you can look at the detail that he puts in, you can kind of say, outline this is what it wants, and he's got an imagination that he just takes and runs with it.
I mean, that's 4.5 window trim,
So much natural.
crazy trim.
This is the new office.
This is the new office.
This is the Myrtle Beach office.
There you go.
We designed it to where the sun, you can lounge here, you can look out to your pool, out to your private boat dock. It's got a 180-degree view. We purposely pushed this house out to where nothing would ever block it this way, nothing would ever block it that way. Can't be too far away from a bar. What do you think this is right here?
Dining table.
Hot tub right here.
Hot tub.
220,
2 hot tubs.
2 hot tubs. Here you have a hot tub that's weight supported. Have a hot tub looking all the way down both sides of the water. bar, fridge, ice maker. But as big as this house is, this is 6 bedroom, 7.5 bath. The house is on steroids compared to this one.
This was Aqua Vita.
Aqua Vita.
Imagine one road right down the middle, gated on both ends with a wall around it with 13 townhouses, 7 on one side, 6 on the other. And you're right here completely surrounded by a medical park, so all these people need places to stay near their practice. Right across the street is Living Dunes. They've probably got 50 houses under construction. That's probably 300 houses.
Okay, so 750, $1.2 million, and $7 million.
Yeah. So you're right at $9 million all in.
All right, so guys, we're checking out another house that Joe and Mace are closing on next week. What are you guys gonna sell this for?
145 or 1475.
Oh, it's
145.
This is Wolf Appliances. It's $45,000 worth of appliances. This is a 10-foot island, waterfall island. This is meant for retirement living or single family living. Got 3 sets of sliders going out to the pool. It's all travertine decking, stone, side walls, travertine, tanning ledge. Got the East Carolina logo. This is what we would build on lot 16. Master bedroom, shiplap walls, all frameless shower door, rain head.
That is gorgeous.
Master closet's got all custom wood shelving, all brick paver.
Yep.
Putting green. We can sell this house on lot 16 for somewhere around 1.5, 1.6.
Yeah, and the cost of both like
Cost
1,800.
between 8 and 9.
Yeah, that's doable.
We feel like where we've reached now, Johnny, like I say, we're closing this house next Friday. We're supposed to close that house either by the end of the month or right the first week of May. Lot 7, which is right here, yeah, made an offer. We got to write a contract, and that's the reason we're anxious and want to get 16 started.
Yeah, and you guys did all 16, right?
We did
Yeah,
every house.
this is the last house on the inside that we have as far as for that value. The rest of them are sitting on the water. I think by the end of the year we'll be sold out.
Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. If you got value out of this, definitely like, share, and subscribe. Check out our show, The Hard Money Lions, on YouTube here. And don't forget to Roz it up.